Hello everyone, today I will show you how to go live on Snapchat. And here's how it's done. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. You will land on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open your profile. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. As you will notice, Snapchat doesn't currently offer a go live feature like some other social media apps. However, you can still share updates in real time by posting to your public story. Go back to the camera screen. Take a photo or record a video. Tap Send to at the bottom right. Select My Story or Public Story to share it with everyone. While it is not a live stream, it is the best way to keep your followers updated and engaged in real time. And that's everything you know about how to go live on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.